Good morning, guys. It's Miss Shepherd. Today we're going to continue working with fractions as division. This goes along the standard I in F3. Interpret a fraction as division of the numerator by the denominator. Solve word problems involving division of whole numbers, leading to answers in the form of a fraction or mixed numbers, by using visual fraction models or equations to represent the problem. Amari, Madison, and Cassidy have 2 quarts of juice. They want to share it evenly. How many quarts of juice will each of them get? What I want to do is I want to create a picture to represent this. 2 quarts, and I have 3 girls. So I have 2 circles to represent each quart and 3 sections to represent each girl. I give Amari 2 pieces, Madison 2 pieces, and Cassidy 2 pieces. Each girl got 2 pieces out of 3. So each girl will get 2/3 of a quart of juice. Kanala has 7 square feet of garden space to plant carrots, beans, peppers, and lettuce. Suppose she gives each vegetable an equal amount of space. How much space will each vegetable get? I want to draw out my 7 square feet. So I use the rectangles to represent each foot. Carrots, beans, peppers, lettuce. Now what would I need to do with the other 3 square feet? I want to split them into 4 equal pieces. Then I would go through and I would put carrots, beans, peppers, and lettuce in each space. Each vegetable got 1 full square foot and 3 out of 4 of the pieces of the other square foot. 1 whole and 3/4 is your answer. Josh needs to make 6 pizza crusts. He has 20 ounces of dough and wants to use the same amount of dough for each crust. He weighs a portion of the dough for 1 crust on the scale. The weight in ounces should fall between what 2 whole numbers? I want to divide 6 into 20. So I ask myself, how many times will 6 go into 20? 3. 3 times 6 is 18. So I have a remainder of 2. That would make the exact answer 3 and 2/6. 2 becomes my new numerator and my denominator stays the same. This is a good answer, but it isn't great. Don't forget to simplify. 2 goes into 2 and 6 evenly, so we would simplify that fraction by dividing by 2. The fraction then becomes 3 and 1/3. 3 and 1/3 falls between 3 and 4. Javian is doing a science experiment with his class. The teacher has 21 fluid ounces of pond water to share equally with 10 pairs of students. How much pond water will Javian and his science partner receive? Olivia says 10 and 21 fluid ounces. How did she get that answer? First off, Olivia wrote a fraction to show 10 divided by 21 instead of a fraction to show 21 divided by 10. Now let's figure out exactly how much Javian and his partner would get. We want to divide 10 into 21. So I asked myself, how many times will 10 go into 21? 2. 2 times 10 is 20. When I subtract, I have 1. The number on top, my quotient, becomes my new whole number, 2. My remainder becomes my new numerator, 1. And my denominator stays the same, or it's the number to the side, 1/10. It can't be simplified, so this is the best answer. Javian and his partner would get 2 1/10 ounces of the pond water. Things to remember as you work. Remember, with these problems, if we're writing it as a fraction, it is the numerator divided by the denominator. Draw a model to help you if you need to. And when dividing to change into a mixed number, the quotient, the answer on top, is the whole number. The remainder is your numerator, and the denominator stays the same. I hope this helps, guys.